So we got our one inner outer tie rod and adjuster from the driver's side here, and we got our new parts. Now, the threaded rod is left-hand thread on one side and right-hand thread on the other, so it kind of helps you to toe in, toe out. It's opposite. So I'm going to thread them in equally, and then we're going to match the dimensions of the old assembly, put the new one in, and that's going to get us real close to the old one. Now, I know, especially on these Japanese imports, how rusty everything gets. So that's why I'm putting anti-seize on all the threads, right? I'm going to turn myself into the Tin Man. Well, that's pretty close. That's where we're going to start.